Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to display any message on cash on delivery shipping method. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to go to your Shopify account, then click on Shopify settings, then go to shipping and delivery, then click on general shipping rates. Scroll down, you can see here is a shipping zone option. I have already added a prepaid and COD shipping method. Now we will add a custom message in cash on delivery shipping method. Click on three dots, then click on edit rate. Here is a custom delivery description. You can add any message there. Then click on done. Save your changes. By the way, if you are liking this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now we will test this on our online store. Go to your catalog, add any product to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Enter any test address. Scroll down, here you can see in COD shipping method, a message is displaying like order ship in 2 days. So that's it. You have successfully displayed any message in your Shopify account at checkout. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.